Bodega Boys.
Hey, you know, what a beautiful day to be a postal worker in Staten Island, just going from house to house. Hey, God, here we go.
Did you miss my house? Bro, did you miss my house?
Okay, first of all, get back, Michael Anthony.
But
Get back.
Bro,
Michael.
come on, bro. Bro, I've been waiting for, I me and my fucking stupid fucking asshole dad went and voted for Trump because I knew I was gonna get a little check or something in the future. He told me. All right, I've been waiting.
Hey, why are you coughing like that? Back up.
Bro, it's not Rona, bro. It's just my guts. My fucking guts hurt, bro. Come on.
No, bro.
Give me a check. Bro, give me a check, bro. I don't care if it's my name.
Relax. Bro, I'll mace you. I've seen you on Victory Boulevard with that Mexican girl, Yesenia, all right? She drinks Coronas. You got it.
She's a nice girl. She's a nice bro. She got a nice set of kids. Listen, I'm looking at your bag right now. It's looking a little heavy. It's looking like a lot of checks in there. You know, there's a lot of checks in there. You know,
bro, why are you sweating?
I can bust a check.
Bro, why are you sweating like that, bro? Back up.
Bro, I need a check, bro. Come on, bro.
Come on. Bro, there's no checks in here.
Bro, listen.
Bro, there's no checks in here, bro.
Listen, bro. I'll suck your cock.
Bro.
I'll suck your cock. Please, just give me a check. Bro, there's checks in there, bro. I see them. The envelope, the little rectangle envelopes, those are always either checks or bills, bro. I'll take either one right now at this point. Come on, bro, please. Please.
Lower your voice, bro.
You got the shorts on, bro. Just pull one leg up, bro.
All right, bro, put a mask on.
Real quick. Come on.
Bro. Oh, shit, is that your dad? Is that your dad behind you?
Hey, Michael, what the hell are you doing? Michael, are you blowing the mailman? What the hell is going on over here?
Oh, shit.
What the fuck are you doing? Hey, get away from my son. Get away from my innocent son.
I gotta go.
Get away from my innocent son.
I'm sorry. Here's the bag. I'm out of here.
No, you don't want
I'm out of here.
You don't want to.
Oh, shit. Do the drop.
If you want to finish, call me. Call me.
All right.
800-223-9797.
All right, what's your name?
Michael Anthony.
All right, I'll call you by your name. Do the drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Oh, what a mess. Episode 199.
In the
all right? 1999. All right? I hope y'all ready. This is a pro-conscious hip-hop podcast now. All right? No more Susie. Just you got to throw on the wall beat.
The whole time.
You know? You know the fucking vibes. You know you came here for comedy and you're not getting that. You're getting
you came here for comedy, you getting common. Hold that.
Hold that right there. Okay? You thought you were getting
Oh, what?
Hip hop.
Oh,
yo, welcome to the world's most dangerous podcast.
Yo,
Bodega Boys, episode 199. We making noise, yo. That's no cap. Shout out to our sponsors over there. Cash App, you got Victor. Yo, he's in the Zoom window. Diana's over there. Who knows who's below? Hey, we're rapping off the top of. You know what? We gotta stop. If I kept going, I would start. My pants would turn into a pair of Parasucos.
Yo, for real.
You know,
like the Fifth Element was coming out.
As I was rapping, I felt JanSport straps burning into my shoulders, the same way the holes go through Jesus' hands.
What's that shit called? Fucking
Stigmata.
They got hip hop mata. Yo, I got hip hop on now.
Wait, also Stigmata sounds like a wild racist term.
Yeah, word. Look at this fucking.
Hey, you Stigmatas, get out of here. Hey. Can you believe it? My sister, you know, she's fucking a fucking Stigmata.
She's fucking with a Stigmata. This fucking girl.
Yo, she comes. It's Easter. She comes here with a fucking half Stigmata baby.
Unbelievable.
You know, my mother had to put down a blanket to make sure he didn't leave a grease spot on her good chair.
How do you do the fucking baby's hair? There's a fucking Stigmata. How do we do it?
You know what? I'm going to give her some speaker wire. Maybe that's, strong enough to keep that nappy shit down. As always, coming to you live from the Quarantine Labs. Desus in the respective BX and my man Mero coming to you live from the most Dominican basement in the world. The only way Mero's basement could be more Dominican is if he was doing butt injections as he was doing the podcast.
Oh, sir?
Oh,
That was supposed to be live.
you guys can't see it because there's no more visual art, but Mero's pointing at his steps. Who's coming in? Who's coming in? Podcast, quarantine podcast.
Yeah,
we doing
what's
butt
good, y'all?
injections.
Yeah, what's
we doing
poppin',
butt
y'all?
injections in Mero's basement.
Y'all was good. I'm here to get my shits redone, yo. My shits is my right butt cheek is a little droopy.
You got to be the wild Susio girl to have access to silicone right now.
Yo, for real.
Okay? If niggas can't get toasted Cheez-Its, where the fuck you getting fucking silicone at? Okay? You can't even get Fix-A-Flat.
Fam, I don't know. I've been in my basement for 6 months, it feels like. Are people flying? There's no flying happening at all. Is that
There's
happening at all?
There's flying. People are still flying.
Okay, cool. So there's gonna be a lot of sushi girls out there, and I'm not judging y'all, but y'all taking a risk. That's gonna get that $1,200 check and put it together with their homegirl and fly to somewhere.
Nah, because if you go, you can't come back right now.
They don't care. They just want that new butt. I'll be like, yo,
All right.
I'm a
All
quarantine
right, if
deal with my new ass.
Yo, I know someone who's been stuck in Antigua for 6 weeks. Like, at this point, you're Antiguan. Okay? You're not coming back. Listen.
You're naturalized.
You need to learn that little sing-songy accent and enjoy conch shells. Because guess what? You're not coming back to Williamsburg, ma.
You about to be
It's a
eating
wrap.
mad conch fritters for a minute.
Okay? All right? You better find a mirror and learn how to suck your teeth about how much boat is inside goat. All right? Start worrying about the price of water and the price of milk and when there's a blackout on the island. Yeah, because you wanted to be cute. You could have been in your beautiful loft apartment playing Animal Crossing, and now look at you.
Man, now you collect the
you in the water. You in the water with a sharp pole, catching your dinner.
Yo, just sitting under a tree like, damn, I wish I had Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi would be nice. Reading by candlelight is kind of trash.
Niggas like, I wish I had Wi-Fi. A nigga named Wi-Fi show up like, what's up, man?
Yo, what
you need?
what?
What you need? I got socks. Get out of here, Wi-Fi.
Get out of here with your fucking socks. I don't want no fun. That's not entertainment. You're like,
why?
yo,
If you sell socks, why is your name Wi-Fi? It doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't.
My father's name was Wi-Fi. Oh. So yeah, quarantine. So Andrew Cuomo, he was like, look at my beautiful nipple piercings, and also I want you all to wear masks now. So we all gotta wear masks, or else we get arrested by the cops. Or I don't know. He didn't say what happens.
He did. Is it really a real? If he didn't say like, yo, dead ass right after, like, yo, I'm dead ass. Like, wear a mask.
Well,
I'm dead
see,
ass.
we don't live in jet set radio, and he's not the hip hop mayor, so that is not how he would do a press conference. He's like, yo, my G's, yo,
what's shaking, my G's?
Yo, I'm kicking Afro ballistics right now, my homies.
Word is bond.
Word is bond. Word is say. Up next is Prime Minister Hurricane G. Like, no, that's not.
Yeah, she's like, yo, what's good? Y'all niggas need to self-isolate, self-quarantine and all that. Yeah, word.
Oh,
I'm like, yo, I've heard enough. Wow,
it's too much. It's too much.
It's too much real hip hop. I feel like we're gonna overdose on real hip hop, but by the time this quarantine is over. There's no more real hip hop shit happening. Did that Teddy Riley thing even materialize? No, right?
It's supposed to happen this weekend because
Babyface got the Rona or some shit.
Babyface had Rona, and now he's gonna do it. But I mean, that's cool. We already have RZA versus Primo. Like, everyone has one battle they really look forward to, and ours is RZA versus Primo. The only thing they could do right now that we'd look forward to is like Cameron versus Jadakiss, or shall we finish the state property versus
Dipset beef?
Rockefeller beef? Should we get Young Chris, Neeks, Freeway, Beans in the building?
Knock you off your high horse, Tonto.
Okay, back for that Hot 97 takeover. Okay.
It's like, yo, nigga Jacob was like, get him free. Nigga Free came through like, yo, I'ma spit a whole verse like this. Y'all niggas is trash. Let's smell like piss. Word.
Y'all don't know. That was a moment.
I distinctly remember sitting down like, yo, we gotta sit like appointment radio. I was like, dog, is this fucking like the fucking Theodore Roosevelt era where niggas are sitting around a campfire?
Seven blazing
like,
it popping on.
Word.
It's going.
Drop that shit.
Kim. Your whore like man, who me hot? Mr. Orange niggas get squalls, I don't care if you shot.
Freeway. This back when Freeway had the whiny voice. And don't forget, listen. When they went to the Quiet Storm beat,
that whole verse, I was like, woo!
With no reverend.
Leave 3 bastards and tears with 1 widow. 50 cars back to back with
Look at windows.
Back, bitch!
From Max sitting the menu. Nurses gotta cut your back.
Taking them out you.
Able niggas get staples and shit pouch you. Shift over your liver, enable and reroute you. Give you niggas tubes and cables to spit out. You know.
Listen, that's the Jay-Z, Gwyneth Paltrow, and Beyonce don't know.
Don't know at all.
That's the Jay-Z that can load a gun real fast, all right? That's not Rock Nation brunch Jay-Z. Okay, that's Jay-Z shoots you in the middle of Marcy Projects.
That's the Jigga Man. You rich, take the do-rag off.
Uh-huh, right? Okay? That's 12 a.m. in the club, Jay-Z. 4 a.m. in the Waffle House.
Yo. Those are wild, because now niggas just call everything a battle. Those were epic battles.
Those were real battles, because they had, Hot 97 had mad FCC violations that night.
What? Bro,
yeah.
Styles P and when they had the locks up there freestyling, and Styles P was drunk as fuck, trying not to curse, and I was like,
just cursing.
This is not going to work.
And I was like, wait, listen, you kids are spoiled, bro. You got XM radio. They're allowed to curse, bro. Back in the New York, we used to have 3 channels: Kiss FM, Hot 97.
That's right.
WBLS, and if you're white, Z100.
Z100, bro.
Z100.
And if you were old and white, CBS FM.
Hey, 101 CBS FM. I believe their jingle was, we only play music from the 50s, 60s, and kind of the 70s. Back when music was good. And you're like, what? And then they'd be like, hey, remember this song? They'd be like, Mary. And everyone listening to it was like, yo, I remember this song from when I poured a milkshake on a black person at a Woolworth lunch counter. And you're like, wow. Wow, Grandma.
Wow, you did a lot back in the day, Grandma.
Grandma. She was like, they don't belong there.
They started playing Michael Jackson and niggas got mad. Like, that's not oldies. Like, fam, we're in the 2000s. That's oldies.
Does that channel still exist? Because if that's the case, because they always play music for the last 3 decades. So right now they should be playing I don't know, we're all in the same gang and Ice Cube, Kill at Will.
Be legit.
Up next,
we got a 10 minutes.
Up next, a classic. They're like, how I could just kill a man. Oh shit.
DJ Muggs is like the morning guy.
They're like, give me. Oh man.
DJ Muggs. Hey, what's up, man? It's DJ Muggs from the Soul Assassins. You listen to CBS FM, only classics. Up next, we got Frankie Valley, but before that, Cypress Hill, nigga, Temples of Boom. Did he just say the N-word?
Niggas is like, I'm gonna go visit my grandpa, and like, Grandpa, do you want to hear your favorite song? And he's like, turn it up. All right, this is my grandpa's favorite song. I don't know what it means, but he really enjoys it.
He loves it. He loves it.
Oh, hip hop. I had a Chinese Yankee fitted to this. I bought it on 125. I used to drive in a cab called an OJ. I once saw Tony Sunshine at Crash Mansion. Please.
You can only do the WAP to that. You can't do any other dance.
There is a whole generation that did the Running Man and other dances to that. Also, I think at one point, I was just like in clubs just doing a lean back for the whole night. So there was like, he's clearly from the Bronx. I was like, play Lean Back again, DJ. There was like, that song was popular 6 years ago.
I was looking for this song because I thought it was Lean Back, but there's a song where Fat Joe in the intro or the outro just says "Pecas" mad loud for no reason. I was looking for this shit for like hours this morning.
Did you find it?
I fucking couldn't find it. I thought it was Lean Back. I listened to Lean Back like 5 times in a row in the morning.
I mean, that's what every Bronx resident does. So like,
it's true.
That's our Pledge of Allegiance. They're like, all kids, please rise. They were like, yo, we are now gonna stand
for the Pledge of Lean Back.
For the Pledge of the Bronx. You know the fucking vibes.
Oh, say, can you see? They me cook coke.
They're just playing this at a kindergarten graduation. Like, yo. Julio Rivera. Everyone's like, yo.
Yeah. Shout out to Julio.
Jamirez Ramirez.
Yes.
Mario Ramon. Woo!
Yeah.
Please refrain from clapping. I am dead ass. Please refrain from clapping until the graduation ceremony is over.
Excuse me. That's my baby.
Jamarez Ramirez III. Woo! Yeah, yerp. Please refrain from yerping until the ceremony's over. Thank you. That's every Bronx graduation. Actually, that's what you think every Bronx graduation looks like if you've never been to the Bronx and you think about everything you know about the Bronx is from our show.
I feel like eventually...
Number one show at late night, Desus and Mero, our Showtime.
You know the vibes.
You know, your favorite show that has never done anything problematic. Woo, woo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing but illustrious guests.
That's right. Motherfucking...
People were tight at us because we had Anna Kendrick on.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
They were like, "Why, yo? Why'd you have her on twice?"
Yeah, that is the only. That is literally that's literally the only controversy we've ever had with our show.
Yeah,
isn't that wild?
We're lucky, really. We're really lucky to
Anyway,
like,
listen, still recording for you guys, recording to you live from our respective homes. Be sure to tune in next week. We got a special guest. You guys are gonna be super happy for this. We got Ben Shapiro coming, joining us via Zoom.
That's right. We sent 5 Apple boxes to his house.
We are going to sing the remix to Chocolate Galaxy with Ann Coulter. That should be lit, you know. And we are going to do a tutorial on how to do box braids with Tommy Loren. So be sure to tune in. We no longer on Showtime. We come on Fox Red.
That's right.
Fox Red. We come on a special after hours thing called the Negro Hour. It was called that before us, I hope. And just be sure to tune in. We're also doing Taxi Cab Confessions with Diamond and Silk. But the whole time they're like, oh my God, this is a car. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh shit, look at that building. It's more than 4 stories. Oh Lord.
God.
That's the devil. That's the devil.
That ain't right.
That ain't right.
God didn't intend for that.
Oh, look, this toilet flushed before I got up and I didn't touch anything. Yo, Satan be gone. Satan be gone.
Don't sit on that. That toilet gonna steal your soul from your cootie.
Okay.
Don't sit on that toilet.
You know, they want me to use a bidet. Huh? Bidet? Sounds like something you find in Ukraine from the son of who? Biden? We got a
neck rolls, man. Extra neck rolls for no.
You know what? You know, it'd be a great movie if Diamond and Silk got kidnapped and Trump needs someone to dress up as 2 women in fat suits and pretend to be them, and he calls on us.
I hear you.
Because he saw us after the Biden interview. You guys want this movie?
Heard
you guys want this movie? If any of you say you don't want this movie and you watch Big Mama's House, you are a fraud. Okay,
you're a fraud and a coward.
You are a fraud and a hypocrite. Okay.
It's a fraud. It's a fraud. It's a fraud.
Okay. Let us eat. Everyone gets to do one problematic movie, right?
Come on, son.
Let's get our problematic movie out the way early.
Didn't Denzel do one bad early on that was wild problematic? Like where he
did mad problematic. There was a Denzel movie where
his girlfriend was like,
they feed him Ricochet, and he they put mad drugs in him, and he wakes up passed out, and they forced herpes on him, and he wakes up, he gave it to his wife. It was a mess. So that's back when Denzel was just that nigga from Law and Order, crackhead number 4.
That nigga, all the executives like, he's very well spoken.
See, this Corona shit came at the worst time because we was about to be either gang members, snitches, or gay lovers on a Law and Order. You know that.
Oh man,
I've been practicing. Who?
It's 2020.
Kid Mero. Officer, I don't even have time to talk to you right now. I'm recording a podcast. I'm waiting for a delivery. Like, good luck trying to find out who that is.
Oh, you saying so?
I honestly don't have time to talk to you right now. I'm waiting for a MacBook to come from Showtime. Like, leave me alone.
Oh yeah, a TV show, huh? So you're telling me you don't know this guy? You've done a TV show with him for years. You don't know this guy?
I worked with him a couple. Wait, that photo is not from Showtime. That's a photo I took of him.
That's right.
That's right. I know.
What
To
happened
Tuola.
to him?
I know.
happened to
Hey,
him?
I know. Hey, listen. My son is gay too. It's okay.
It wasn't like that. It wasn't like that. It was.
Nah.
We
listen.
just had that one time in Flight Club, and
Live
you know,
your truth. Live your
we
truth.
both touched. We both touched a pair of KDs at the same time, the Aunt Pearls, and well,
Listen,
you know,
man. Love is love, man. Now put your hands behind your back. I'm arresting you for the murder of the kid. That's how
No, I'm not-
sense. It's like, yo.
Hey, Ice-T, guess what? You're gonna have to add me to your body count. Oh. And we're like, hey, Dick Wolf, what do you think about that performance? He's like,
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I'm like,
I'd be like,
Dick, we
that,
don't
no,
have to yell.
nigga, no. You had Ludacris on that shit. Stop. You can't tell us we just a bad job.
Right? They're doing a wild stakeout and shit. Like, he's like, be quiet, we gotta sneak up. Like, he's like, what? It's Luda. Like, nah, nigga.
But,
Nigga, why are you loaded? Why are you shooting? They're shooting balloons.
boom. Like, yo, no. Luda, you don't got to ad-lib, bro. We're trying to make an arrest, dog.
Luda, which way did the criminal go? Like a Beyonce song, to the left. I'm like, you could have just said to the left. You'd have to add that
come
extra
on,
point.
man.
Shit.
You don't got to, everything don't got to be a fucking simile, my guy.
Bang, bang. He's shooting. Ah, nigga. Should just say he's shooting. Like,
Come
I'm
on,
losing
dog.
blood. Oh.
You reduced the reaction time by like 5 seconds, bro. What the fuck?
You know what else I thought about? I watched SNL last week and they did it remotely. And I was like, wow, what if SNL has its host now? It's not going to be the same.
Yeah, nah.
Not going to be no after party for us to be wild drunk and me
it's
to
gonna
take my
be- it's
shirt
gonna be
off
like-
and fight somebody.
This is gonna be like Astros championship. Wild asterisk. Like, yo,
Wild asterisk shouldn't count.
yo. Like, if the
Damn.
Knicks would have won in '99, like, niggas would be on our dicks like, yo, yeah, it was a strike short season. It was bullshit.
Yo. You know what? Right now is a perfect time to bring back Uptown Comedy Club. Remember that? That used to run against SNL back in the 90s, and it had Tracy Morgan on it.
Yep.
Like David Allen. It had everybody.
Oh,
on that
everybody.
shit.
Anybody who's anybody. Bernie.
That was
scared
such
of
a
you,
good. And they would diss each other's mothers and shit.
That
shit
was so good.
Oh, man. So good, bro. That ran between 1992 and 1994. So if you were a kid, you were probably home watching that. If not, you were smoking crack. But you know what? You do what you had to do.
Listen.
Do what you had to do.
Either way, you were living how you were getting how you live. You living your best life. So
Listen to the people who was on it. Paul Mooney, Joe Torre, Flex Alexander, Tracy Morgan, Deborah Wilson, Jim Brewer, Kevin Brown.
Damn.
Listen, that is like the creme de la creme. Oh, Supercat. Yeah, you know.
Oh shit. Super had a comedy career?
Father MC. No, they perform. Brand
I
new.
was about to say. I was like, yo, imagine Supercat had a type 5.
Bernadette Stan. Listen, Yvette Wilson. Everybody that's like, you asked where you came up on that show, and like,
Facts.
like it was very popular in the hood, and like we turned to SNL, and SNL was doing like George Bush jokes, and you didn't understand what they were about and shit.
You're like, why?
There was like, hey, make a left turn at Whitewater, and you're like, what? What's that?
Like, who the fuck is
Who's that?
Ross Perot? Who is that?
What? Hey, hi, I'm Ross Perot. How you doing? Hi. Hey, here's a sketch about Pepsi 2. I'm like, what? I was like, nigga, they still lock up the Pepsi in my supermarket.
Yo, fucking speaking of Ross Perot, I don't know why that election sticks out in my head, but imagine Ross Perot would have won and been president.
There was no chance of that because eventually they would have showed footage of him back when he was Yosemite Sam, running around, busting guns, you know.
They're like, yo, they made him shave the mustache.
Yo, you're not falling for it. That was if you seen that show on HBO Prime, Hunters, that's one of the thing about all these Nazis that came from World War II and come and reestablish lives in America, and they get new accents and all this shit. But the wild part is, one of the plot lines is they're working. Oh, this is the wild spoiler. I don't know if you're gonna watch it.
Sorry.
Fuck it, you're getting a spoiler. It doesn't. Yeah. Anyway, they're trying to put poison in like through high fructose corn syrup in like drinks and shit. Like, so it's reaching. But remember back in the day when people were saying that Tropical Fantasy was owned by the KKK, and that's why it was so cheap and delicious. And we called it Nut.
They were trying to
we called it
sterilize the
Nut Busters.
population?
Yeah. And as proof, they had the little Circle K that was on the bottle of Tropical Fantasy, even though it was on a Snapple. Yeah. They had the Circle K, but it stood for kosher. Yeah. Oh.
I was like, yeah, hey, listen, man. K Pariv? What does that even mean, B?
Listen.
Kosher for Passover? Kosher for what? Passover, they're going to pass over our community.
Open your third eye.
Come on, man.
If it got the K on it, that means a rabbi licked the top of it. Yo,
you know what I'm saying?
Real life. You know what I'm saying? I read that on GeoCities page. So, I'm just passing that on to you. Or actually, Organized Confusion talked about it. Yo, shout out to Animal Crossing. I recently started playing it. Learned there's no violence in it. There's no guns.
Oh, no.
After playing Grand Theft Auto, I was just like, the whole time I'm playing it, because the first mission, the guy was like, yo, get me 10 peaches. But because I'm a street nigga, you know what I'm saying, from the Bronx, 233, you know what I'm saying, I bust my guns.
I'm going to go get a nigga for his peaches.
Nigga, I came back with 30 peaches. And your man was like, oh, I see I got a worker here. And I was like, yo, I does that, nigga. What's up? What's up? I'll run this island. But then I was like, yo, I ran to the other nigga's tent. Like, yo, let me go in there. Maybe I could rack up and steal niggas' radios and shit. And then, because it's so wholesome, it was like, oh, they're sleeping. I was like, I know that, nigga. That's the best time to run up in their tent.
Flocking, nigga.
Flocking. I get a fucking machete on this island, nigga. I'm talking to Tom Nook, like, yo, fam, like back in the days, I had the streets buzzing uptown, my nigga. Like, you give me consignment, whatever. I'll move them turnips for you, nigga. I'll move them bells, whatever you want, nigga.
Let me get some.
Like, fam, I will get you your corners back. Say word. Say less.
Yo, I got you.
In my head, Animal Crossing is The Wire. I'm like, yo, I'm Weebay.
Yo, you fuck up this pack, I'm gonna fuck up your back.
I'm about to shoot niggas while they picking up wood. They're gonna be like, oh, hi, Jesus. I'll be like, ain't no hi.
Ain't no highs, nigga.
Hey.
They're like, oh, shit, Jesus coming.
I'll be like, yo, your hair look beautiful, girl. Shoot a nigga like that.
Yo,
I'm just walking.
Raccoon.
I'm just walking through Animal Crossing in a wild leather trench coat and shit. Niggas is throwing bags of wood out the window and shit. Like, yo, I want no smoke.
I want no smoke with you, nigga.
No mas. Yo, I best be seeing all the turnips, my nigga.
Yo,
y'all
trying to assess some fossils?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen. And you tell Tom Nook I'm coming back next week, okay?
It's not a fucking
all right?
game.
It's not a fucking game. Because niggas don't know. Niggas forgot. Tom Nook captured my boyfriend, burned him with cigarettes, and left him on the hood of the car. All the white people listening to this is like, excellent Wire reference, Jesus. Excellent Wire. Amazing.
It was they were trying to send a message.
I remember I was at a dinner party in Center City with other professors. I was the only one that ever saw The Wire. I felt like a fucking god.
That shit really make niggas feel like they saw crack. I'm like, nigga, you didn't even.
But you gotta remember, like, the same feeling people got for being the first people to watch The Wire are the same feeling people got when they found our show. Like, imagine you just like a regular degular white person, just like, just doing white people things, chilling. Like, you find our show, and then you go somewhere else, and people was like, hey, did you guys see America Got Talent? And you're like, y'all want to hear about a real show?
Put you on some real shit.
Y'all ever heard of a Sucio boy? Y'all know what suck my dick from the back means?
Yeah. Ever hear a little lady by the name of Sarah J?
Yeah. You ever consisted of a whole diet solely of chopped cheese, and all you do is walk around wearing black Air Force Ones and hiding your kids? That's right. All right.
Remember that?
Welcome to the Bodega Hive. Like someone grabs their kids and takes them away from this guy. They're like, he's evil.
Smooth.
If I was in Jamaica, they said I'm bad-minded.
Get away from him. He's
I'm just talking Hive. And then one other person in the back comes and says, I'm only up to episode 72. He's like, oh, you got a lot of learning to do.
Yeah, that's the funny shit. Is like the motherfuckers that are like just catching on like episode 30, and the other niggas that are like up to date are like,
yeah,
noob.
Also, if you go listen to episode 30, we were at a much different place in life. Much different.
I remember the episode where niggas got the Range Rovers, and we were like so hyped, nigga. We named the fucking episode after this shit and all that.
Bro, episode 30, we weren't even on Vice yet. You understand that? Like, niggas is hurting. Niggas is hurting. Those episodes where we didn't know how to work the H4n Zoom. Whoa, nigga.
God.
Nigga, you do what's it, Dick and the Babe Matumbo intro that blows out the headphones every time it comes on. There's no sound balancing whatsoever. Like low key, I just sometimes when I get drunk, I just want to play them and call Hasan and play them and be like, it didn't have to be like this, brother.
It didn't have to be like this.
We ain't know you yet.
you in the therapist on the couch, like, episode. We put 0.5 after them because, you know, we wanted to let people know that they were different. That they were like, you know, they were different.
That's back when I was editing it, and it was just like, I was like, all right, there's a lot of background noise. Google, how do I remove background noise? All right. Select all, equalize, and we are done. We are done there. Okay. All right. I'm going home now.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me. All right.
Niggas like, good old Acid 4.0.
You know that. You know the fucking vibes.
Shut up.
The software is like, warning, must be updated before April 4th, 1993. I'm like, no, you're still good.
No,
you're still good.
You're good.
You're still good. They're like, warning, this might be unstable if you try to run it with Windows NT. I'm like, Windows NT? Boy, listen. Nigga, we live in a whole new world. Nigga, I'm running you on a Mac.
See, there's this thing called boot camp. wait till you get a load of this.
This nigga said boot camp. This nigga got 2 partitions. I loved boot camp because Apple was just like, yo, my nigga. Oh, really? You really trying to fuck with that other operating system? All right.
Right in front of my face?
All right. I'm just saying you could do better. I'm like, wow. Nigga, what are you doing?
Friend, that's like me getting double top in front of Heather. Like, yo, you mad. You don't got Fruity Loops, bitch.
Oh, my God. That was like, that was just like, yo, what is going on? What are you really doing? Apple was like, yo, you got a whole ass Apple, and you really trying to run IBM software on that shit. Like,
and that shit will revolt, too. Like,
they were like, nigga, you bringing bread to Passover? Wow.
Oh, you that nigga? Okay.
And then you remember they made it mad dramatic? Like, you had to log out and then log into boot camp, and you log in, and shit be like,
cups of the rose. Wow.
There's a desktop over there. I guess there's like files if you want it.
Wow.
IBM icons. There's no finder. I'm just here as a reminder. You had a nice computer, and now you got this bullshit. We was running Mac OS. And now you want some new shit. Fuck this OS that you run so bad. And when you're with her, I know you miss your A drive. All right. OVO's gonna send a wild. We're gonna get a cease and desist from Apple and OVO
at the same damn time. Yo, the shit that fucked me up the most about, because fucking with a PC, I just started fucking with a PC again. And the shit that fucks me up the most, believe it or not, is the fucking Xing out of a window being on the other side of the fucking window from Apple.
Oh yeah, you know what? I remember.
Shit fucked me all the way up. I was like, where the fuck? How do I double click?
I remember my first programming job at the library. Like all they had were Apple computers, and I was like, what kind of hell is this? I was like, in what world everybody uses Apple computers? This is madness. And then I get home and kiss my Pentium, like, yeah, thank you, bro. But now it's different. Like now, I can't remember. Now it's like people don't even use computers. Like the new generation doesn't really use computers. They use like iPads and shit that.
I was like, yo, fuck Apple. I'm never rocking Apple. Fuck that. You can't customize the shit. You can't do shit with it. You can't because I like to just fucking tinker on the computer. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And just like add shit, take shit away, switch shit up. I'm like, you can't open a fucking iMac, nigga, and switch the graphics card on the shit. You know what I'm saying?
Well, you don't need to. Actually,
you got to be like.
You used to be able to. Used to be able to. Now they've done it so like it's basically sealed. But like, there's still some you could, if you want to hack some shit. There's some shit you can hack. There's a hack for the Peloton where you could put Zoom on the screen, so you can run on. You could be all your Peloton do a Zoom. Am I gonna do that? No, that's stupid. I don't. Imagine we in a meeting. I'm like, so what niggas gotta do is.
Yo, the sweat. The sweat is on your camera.
If you check your email,
are you using a fine lens? Or is that
4, 3, 2, 1? Ooh.
Is that train in the back?
So if you look, there's a sketch in a
Who's
folder
that
on.
lady in the background?
No, that's Hannah Frankson. She's really good. We're doing it. Oh shit, I gotta go back. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Resistance 90. Oh shit, we are.
So what do you
1,
think
2.
about, like, as far as the movie, like arc wise?
Just hear mad kid. You just hear like the Wild Kid Cudi remix. That's the other thing about Peloton. They didn't. Apparently they had a lawsuit a long time ago because niggas wasn't clearing the rights for music.
For music?
Yeah.
Thanks. I mean, do gyms have to do that?
In theory, yes. I knew someone whose job was to go to bars and restaurants and listen to see if they were using Spotify, the personal edition versus the business edition. Because the personal edition, you hear the commercial.
Oh, shit.
And if you have Spotify and you weren't using the business edition, you actually got I might be wrong. I don't know if it was from the RIAA or from ASCAP or from Spotify themselves, but there was some sort of penalty for it. And I was like to him, you're low-key a snitch. And he was like, that's not even like what snitching means. And I was like, you're right. I was like, there's no drugs and guns. Like, this is some digital shit.
Yeah, like
even though Digital Snitch sounds like an amazing movie from the same company. What company made District 9?
Come
on, Victor.
Yeah, Victor's like, yo, tapping in.
What production company?
Who was the director behind?
South African. This is gonna kill me. Yolandi Visser, Deadver, Ninja.
Neil Blomkamp.
Yeah.
Neil Blomkamp. Yeah. But yeah, and then Chappie was the sequel to it, which was also equally good. If you want to have a weird movie that makes you cry over a robot and it's late at night, you're like, I need to go to bed. But
I was way too high the first time I watched it. I was just like, yo, what is going on here, bro? Like I thought it was like some new Johnny Five.
Yeah,
I was like, no, this shit is wild emotional.
Beating on the robot. I'm like, don't beat on the robot, nigga.
Yo, stop. He's just a robot. He's nice.
Stop, baby.
He's innocent. Stop.
We need to remake Boys in the Hood, but with robots. Robots in the hood. Instead of drive-bys, niggas drive by with magnets and fry niggas circuit boards.
Ricky,
run! Ricky got the wild, slow, like Roomba engine. He's like,
nigga don't got legs. He got treads. Nigga's like,
the nigga lean out the car with the wild big horseshoe magnet.
Like, yo, nigga breaks open a speaker, takes the magnet out of that shit. Like, yo,
I'm like, no, Ricky, use your zigzag algorithm. He is like, I have not run an update because it's like a well-written film. Because it's a well-written film, they cut back to the scene of us hanging with Ricky the night before, and he has the wild dialogue window, and it's like, do you want to update? And instead he says, instead of now, he's like, update tomorrow. So at the next scene, me and you were like, wow, tomorrow's never a promise.
Word.
Update when you can, my nigga. Either they don't know, they don't show, or they don't show what happens in the ghetto.
In the ghetto. Ricky, stay safe. I'm gonna go get my tech served.
Mm-hmm. And then Boys in the Hood 2, Ricky's mother comes out and she's like, boys, they saved his chip. And we're like, oh shit, Ricky's chip. But I guess we gotta kill somebody else and remove their chip. So it's like super dark.
Yeah, Ricky's chip and their chip. Or we go to a junkyard, we go to Hunts Point and just build a robot out of spare parts.
Listen.
That whimsical.
You can't just be mailing niggas peanuts. You can't just be printing out shit for niggas. And you can't just be picking out empty robot corpses from junkyards, okay?
You get an
That's the 10 That's the 10 Jesus commandments. What?
Oh, yo, Primo dropped the Jesus remix. Oh, shit. What's RZA gonna do?
Yo. The 10 Zoom commandments. What?
Yo.
I don't care if they are the host, let them boast. Yo. Number 5, know you heard this before. Don't share your screen with just any whore. Niggas like, what? Like, what happened? What?
Why would I?
Niggas like, you gotta use protection when you sharing your screen. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, word, yo. I'm like, I have a screen protector. I'm good.
Yo, don't put my Zoom at risk.
Don't put me at risk. What she's doing right now?
A lot of people don't realize the people who started Zoom got their money because they used to have a show called Zoobly Zoo. and that's where they got their start.
Bang, zippity-doo-dah.
There you go. It's the same way, what's his name? Who's a big guy, Trump's guy, that looks like his face is melting all the time?
Pompeo?
No, the other guy, big. He used to be the Seinfeld guy. Bannon.
Oh, there you go.
The same way Steve Bannon, used to bang with Seinfeld. You see, they take that money from shows they made, and then, they try to burn down the world. So if we ever get through the coronavirus, too, wait till I drop coronavirus. Coronavirus 20? Ooh, that's the worst part. That's the anniversary edition. You got to get a bot for that.
She got a special box.
Niggas ain't catching coronavirus 20 easily.
Nah,
that's going to be so. You got to wake up early for that.
You got to stand in line and get coughed in the face personally.
Niggas gonna be coughing on each other like, yo, you got it? Yo, cough on me.
Yo, I'm open my mouth. I'm open my mouth this time.
We're going to open something called Cough Club. I'll be like, yo, that nigga's really sick. So that's like 2,000 right there. If you want that nigga to cough on you.
That nigga got polio too. Yo, he got all exclusive.
I'm like, word? Say less. Yeah, I'm down. What's up?
He got smallpox.
Oh shit. How much is that? Yo,
that shit's like 1,200. You can use your stimulus check. Niggas cover the one.
Niggas gonna be rolling up weed and use Lysol wipes. Yo.
Man. Oh my God. I handed this dude some shit in a Lysol wipe, and he looked at me like I was crazy. I'm like, I'm trying to help you out. Like,
nigga, I was in the supermarket and something dropped out my cart, and a nigga reached down to pick it up, trying to be helpful, who was already too close. And as his hands get closer, I'm like, all right, I got it. Yo. And he was like, yo, my fault. I'm like, well, nigga. And then the other day, like, I think it was last week when I went to the supermarket, the guy behind me, he was like, yo, you're online. He stood like 6 feet away. He was super respectful. That he had to run and get something. So his girl took the place online. She had no mask on, and she was standing mad close to me. And I was tight, but, I wasn't trying to rock the boat. And I'm like, yo, I'm not going to talk to her and get involved and, like, get particles flying. Yeah. So then, I'm just moving forward. Yo, your man comes back. He's like, yo, why are you so fucking stupid? Why are you so close to him? To her. And I was like, yo. And she was like, what? He was like, yo, you want to know about stupid social distancing? Like, what the fuck? Why are you all the fucking way on him? Like, why are you so fucking dumb? And they're just fighting the whole time. But because they're fighting, I just got my back to them. Like, yo. And he went in on her. And you can see they fight all the time. Like, and she was like, yo, you stupid. This shit ain't that serious. He was like, yo, you stupid. You fucking stupid.
Yo, you a dumb. Yeah, man.
But they got that Bronx love. They'll be together for 40 years.
For 40,000 years.
40 years.
Crazy. She's gonna have
his name tattooed after he dies and shit.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas gonna think he's gonna get shot, but he's gonna die from diabetes, and then his wife is gonna be in the bodega like, I have 14 grandkids.
That's right.
Like, yo, wow, legend.
So listen, we still got the Showtime show going. Showtime. We got the podcast going. Bodega Tunes going.
You know what time it is.
Out here, maybe the hardest working people in Hollywood right now. I'm not even bullshitting.
Definitely.
So
I mean, it's not like a flex if it's true. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
We gotta redo dancehall anthems, like one of those albums, and just remake all the songs to make them friendly. Like instead of Ramping Shop. Ramping Shop could be like, hey,
crafting shop.
I'm going to the camping shop.
Oh shit!
Me and my mommy's going to the camping shop. Oh girl, I want a sleeping bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, girl. Yeah. You know what? Because I'm so Jamaican, the next word I wanted to rhyme sleeping bag with was. But as an ally, a quarantine ally, LGBTQIA, he's not gonna do that. So we'd be like, oh, come into my camping shop.
You know what I'm saying? We got tents. We don't stop. You know what I'm saying?
We just need to record. Well, now that
man to man, girl to girl, that's fine.
That's fine. Have fun. Love her. There is no homophobic dancehall music in Animal Crossing. Okay?
No.
Tom Nook is not allowing that shit.
No. Tom Nook not allow that.
We need to do a show where we're just the goons that Tom Nook hires to handle the people who don't respect Tom Nook's shit.
Like, yo, my man, where'd you get them bells from?
Wow. You got all these bells in here. And Tom Nook was like, Tom Nook gave you a house. Tom Nook gave you a sleeping bag. Tom Nook gave you a radio. Tom Nook had you at the bonfire. And this how you repay him?
Word? Just
Yo, Mero, what's on the Mero?
Tomorrow's
Turn that bed over.
Oh, look at this.
This nigga got turnips? Wow.
Okay.
Oh, so we supposed to be a family on this island, and you just out here for dolo, right?
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
This nigga cost how many oarfish? 5. Oh.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
You know, the thing is, they're having a party tonight, so it's gonna be super loud. You know, like loud enough that I don't know. Sad to say, I don't think people would hear if you would like to start screaming and shit.
Yeah.
Like,
you know,
it would
your
like
little high pitched screams.
I mean, you know, it would just be like,
Be a shame.
just no one can hear you, and
yeah, be really sad.
Mero, lock that door.
Yeah. Deadbolt.
Yeah, Tom Nook doesn't like being fucked with.
Yeah.
Tom Nook doesn't like when niggas go in his pocket.
Let me ask you a question. Do you think Tom Nook is a pussy?
Yo, I'm gonna need yo Mero, give me that straight edge razor.
Oh yeah.
Hold this nigga down.
Say less. I heard you.
What's your favorite hand? What hand you write with? Mero, hold him down. I'm cutting his finger off. Yeah.
See you right now, motherfucker.
Yeah. Scream all you want. Scream all you want. Yeah. Don't fuck with Tom Nook, all right?
I can hear you.
Fuck with Tom Nook.
Fucking Herb.
All right. First of all, that's definitely a Showtime show right there. The name of that. Oh, the name of that show. The name of that show is Nooks and Castles. Yeah. Also, who stars in it? Taraji P. Henson.
Absolutely. And the game as Tom Nook.
They trying to run off with Tom Nook's money? Not on my watch.
Nah, I ain't going for that.
Her name is Miss Nook.
Miss Nook.
It's basically power.
Nookie.
No, it's basically Empire.
Nookie Lion.
Who plays Tom Nook then? You know who has to play Tom Nook.
Oh man. Oh man, you know.
Y'all,
come on
man.
now.
Y'all trying to run off all these turnips, man?
Come on, man. How many turnips do you need, brother, man? Come on now.
I gave you a tent, man. A tent and a radio, man. You gonna do this? You gonna cross me at Animal Crossing, man?
Your house is almost completed, man. Come on now.
I guess that would make us the two Nigerian guys that beat up Jussie then.
I wish that I had Jussie's girl.
Hey.
Yo. Oh, God.
Oh, man. Rest in peace to Selena. She would have been 49 years old today.
That's right.
So
she would have
had
been.
the yeeks. So
yeah.
She was a good singer, good dancer, but I mean, like, remember, she had the yeeks before the yeeks were popular, and then J-Lo came with the kind of yeeks, but not like Selena had the yeeks.
Yeah, she had the tortilla yeeks. She had the
italic yeeks.
Yeah.
You know?
She had the strike through yeeks.
Are yeeks still gonna matter after coronavirus?
I feel like there's gonna be more. It depends on what kind of yeek man you are, because I feel like there's gonna be a lot of.
Yeek man.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like there's gonna be a lot of the jiggly yeeks coming out of Rona.
Cause people
not a lot of you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Not those like I do a lot of squats yeeks. It's those like yo, I'm ordering a lot of Uber Eats yeeks. You know what I'm saying?
I've been on the couch a lot yeeks.
You know what I'm saying?
The natural artisanal joints. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, all I'm saying in my neighborhood, the toasted cheeses is sold out. So, Ma, you know what I'm saying? Ma, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't be
some more beach waves on there.
If the yoga pants rip on the side, that's a good sign. You know what I'm saying? Also, it's a quarantine. You don't gotta throw them out. Who gonna see you? Your roommate? Listen.
Even if they're pilling, they don't matter. You gotta have a tear in the crotch. Just aerate. You know what I'm saying? Like a good fucking decanter.
Listen, I've been wearing a Guy Code promo shirt for the last week. All right, fashion doesn't matter anymore.
Yo.
I'm finding all the backwards promo shirts that I just had in a box now, and I'm like, we have a promo shirt for a pulled pork company from Austin, and I'm like, oh shit, they sponsored our show.
Oh
Shout
shit,
to them.
Shout to them, yo. Oh shit, we lit. Yo.
Also, to any of my neighbors that listen to this, 15 of y'all were in a semicircle in front of the front door the other day when I was walking my dog, and I very dramatically went into the street, gave y'all all the evil eye, and entered into the building. And you guys all think I'm antisocial and I'm a dick. And it's no, you guys are all spreading corona. Like, you guys think because we all live in the same building, that's what special quarantine means? It's not. I don't trust y'all niggas. I don't trust y'all niggas. All right? And I only say that because y'all niggas did not add me to the building group chat after I explicitly asked to be added to the group chat. And I don't want to point out that I may or may have not gotten into an argument with the lady that runs the group chat, but that's neither here nor there.
Oh, you being petty?
You know what it is? I know the group chat is, oh wow, no one showing late night is smoking weed in his apartment again. Like, yeah, that's good weed. That's good weed. That's weed from. You know what I got really sad about today? I was like, damn, I can't wait to go back to LA dispensary. Then it was like, wow, I can't wait to go back to LA. And like, damn.
I mean,
it's stuck. Right now, going to 34th Street feels like going to LA.
Fam, going to the bathroom feels like going to LA.
Jeez.
Taking a hot shower feels like I'm in the fucking Cayman Islands. Getting my dick sucked by an angel. Like, yo, shit is...
okay.
Sunlight feels amazing. Yo, this shit is it's wild because my brain, the way my brain is wired, it's like, yo, I have to be in the office to do work. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I'm at work, but I'm not at work, which is good and bad. You know what I'm saying? It's strange times.
Nah, I'm out here, got the studio, got all types of equipment. Like, I'm ready to, I think I might film a one-man version of Belly. Like, I think I got enough stuff to work. I've been working on some drone shots. I think if I do drone shots over Hot Wheel cars, I could do like a car chase. Like, I need more Fenty Beauty. There's gonna be some white face involved, but we can make this shit happen. I need Di to order me some wigs, but you know, we'll make it happen. I was trying to figure out what movie, because like I was trying to write a movie, and I was like, I'm gonna write the Zoom, the version of Marriage Story that takes place over Zoom, and then at 4 a.m, my mind was like, no, nobody wants this. Nobody wants this.
You said nobody wants.
Like, this would just be the worst shit ever. The only thing I could think about is like, imagine, but I read an article. This is what started it. I read an article, and it was about a divorce lawyer in Japan, and he was saying that like all these people keep calling him, and they're talking mad low on the phone, and he couldn't figure out what the fuck was going on. And it turns out they're all calling from the closet because they're stuck at home. Like, they worked and they hated their wife, but they were never home, and now they're home, and like they can't even stand to be around each other. So the people want to get the paperwork started now for when shit is done at the end. And I was like, that'd be a great premise for a movie. But then I was like, if niggas ain't gonna be zooming in the same apartment, like that's not happening. It was like the only thing that could happen is like maybe one person is like, maybe the marriage is strained and one person gets trapped out in LA. And like they're like, yo, we gotta keep communicating, you know, we gotta work on this. And then one day, like maybe the husband is like talking to the wife, and there's a quick shadow passes by in the background, and he's like, "Who was that?" And she was like, "Who was what?
What was that?
Who was that?"
Oh, that was my virtual background.
No, you're at home. Who's in your apartment?
That's my virtual back. I made a picture of my home.
And then she's like, I have to go. And she's like, closes the session.
You know what? You're really like, you sound like really like accusatory right now. So I don't know if this
who's
is
behind.
like,
pick up the laptop and walk into the living room.
Why would I do that? Why do you need me?
Why wouldn't you do that? Why wouldn't you do that? You know why you didn't do that? Because you're a failure. When I got with you, I was an aspiring playwright. And I said, you know what? I'm going to marry this dub and have a dub kid. You know what? I don't want to write a good movie. And you know what? I got everything I wanted. Every time I look at you, I wish I had coronavirus. Welcome to a Bronx marriage story. It's called These Niggas Married.
You're Rona.
Yo, me and my old bitch. Yo,
me and my bitch is quarantined.
Yo,
it's like the VO in the beginning and shit.
Yeah, it gotta start with a wild, slow, dramatic camera pan of two burned out Air Force Ones in front of like a door. His and hers.
Yeah, that's fucking mad drone shots. Definitely need mad drone shots for no reason.
You need all the drone shots, bro.
Speaking of drone shots, you asked me the other day what drone. I finally looked at the box. It's a Sky Viper Journey something. Sky Viper Journey Pro or some shit like that.
Okay, yeah, that's the little kid joints. Nah, I got the Mavica Air joint. The heavy, like I had to register this shit with the FCC. Like this shit is not. This shit got the wild 4K camera, nigga. Like that shit be going off. Like if I the footage I got, like I need to get some more footage and incorporate it to the show. But I'm getting a little nasty with it, and then I was using it and it's going super slow. And apparently I've been in beginner mode. And beginner mode, you can only go like maybe a couple feet away from where you're at, and you can only go up so high and so fast. When you put it on professional mode, you could do like swoops and all types of. You could kill someone with it. So
this shit is wild. I didn't even want to put my phone on it. I was scared. I was like, yo, I'm gonna crash this shit into a wall and destroy my phone.
Yeah, and also having a phone, because back in the old day, bro, you couldn't see where your drone would see. You know what I'm saying? You had to keep your eye on it. Like back in the good, back in the olden days of like 2014, bro. So like now you could do all types of shit. So now, and I want to bring it back to my parents' house because I really want to annoy my neighbor. Because I had like a wild shitty drone. He called my father and talked about like surveillance and privacy rights. And I want to fly this shit right up to his window and just like make it keep bumping.
Just put it on hover and just
make it keep bumping into the glass. Because that's the thing with the drone. You can't crash it if it loses the signal or if it thinks it's about to crash into something. It's like nah, and it just hovers.
Yeah.
It just hovers. But the bad thing is there's a button that says like return home, which you would think would work properly. And I pressed it, and it was like, returning, yitty-dee! And that shit took off like, ra-ta-ta-ta! And I was like, yo, where you going?
Yo, where you going?
And
go back.
I was on the roof of my building. I was like, where's it going? And it was like, ra-ta-ta-ta! And I ran to the edge of my building like I could catch it. And I was like, I was like, just stop. Just stop pressing button. I just pressed the return home again and stopped the whole process. And I just got it back home. Very
Niggas about to do Spider-Man, some Spider-Man.
If you die jumping after a drone, you're an idiot.
Yeah,
Like, no, you don't get any bodega.
That would have been a horrible press conference. Like, yo, this is a tragic loss. I'm at a loss for words. This nigga
also
really jumped off a fucking building for a drone. Damn, nigga, we were securing the bag. Damn, nigga, I'm punching the coffin and shit like, you motherfucker.
Say I won't slap the shit out this stupid nigga. Listen, what do you want? Life is a flat circle. Time is a flat circle, right? And life is a flat circle.
Like word.
And that's why we are able to proudly announce you can now watch episodes of Desus and Mero on what channel? MTV2. You're full circle, nigga. So if you're not enjoying an episode of Vice on Showtime, you can watch Desus and Mero on MTV2.
Woo!
The brand is what? Strong and multi-platform. That's right. So, be sure to check that shit out.
Oh, man.
We're just everywhere, baby. Just everywhere out here, baby. We just do what we do. We like a mother who got the fat arm right here. All right? All we do is cook. We do is cook. Just delicious food.
No recipe, just eye by eye. And you type
every time you see me and Mero, we got aprons on. We open our mouths and we say, "Did you eat, baby? Oh, let me make you a plate."
Come on, baby.
That's what we do.
Sit down right here.
We're like a Wu-Tang sketch. We keep feeding you and feeding you and feeding you.
Your asshole shut.
Okay, maybe not that part. That part's not loving.
We'll let you, Dookie.
Thank you, benevolent God. Thank you for allowing me to Dookie.
Imagine we turn the Bodega Hive into like some BDSM shit, and we just like have them call us like Mistress Desus and Mistress Mero.
You said imagine as if that's not like what automatically goes on right now. They be doing wild shit. They be like, yo, I'll be rubbing myself to our podcast. I was like, okay, that's
nice.
Cool. To the AKAs. Like, that's how.
Thank you.
Like, oh, the plantain supernova in the sky. Yeah. Oh, shit. Someday you will find me. I'm squirting.
Who's a bad breezy? Me. I'm a bad breezy. Yes. Moi.
That 5 cents, it's $1. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine. Neighbor's like, yo, you jilling off to the Bodega Boys again?
No.
Stop. Yo, stop jilling off, Stretch.
No. I'm just taking a shower.
Nah, you jilling off. You got the wild vibe brizzy out there. I hear it. That shit sound like a dream acapella. What you doing? Yo, it sound like you messing with presets.
Oh my God.
How your pussy sound like a morgue organ?
Yo, it's crazy, B. Yo, you hit the fucking arpeggiator?
Yo, you playing your clip like you're Mike Dean.
Yo, you Scott Storch in the church, man.
Yo, relax, please. You the highest in the room.
Yo.
You doing too much, Ma. I don't know what to say to you.
I've seen a slight taper in horniness on Twitter and on social media in general.
Because you could be horny all the time, but you can't meet up. Like people sending out dick pics and stuff, and they're like, "Yo, I can't wait to meet you after quarantine." Nigga, that might be months from now. So now what you got? Now you gotta like keep having a conversation with some girl that sent you a pussy pic 2 weeks ago. You don't know what the fuck's going on. You just
like what are you doing?
All right. She's like, can't wait to smash. She's like, Ma, here's a dick pic, and she has to rub it out to it. She's like, yo, she's like,
oh, brother, this guy stinks.
Welcome to a Bodega Hive Coachella.
You know what I'm saying? We might as well do a Bodega Hive Coachella. Yo, Bodega Hive, tell us who you want to perform at Bodega Hive Coachella. And we'll,
P.O., Tony Sunshine, Bruno Mars. It's just Victor tearing shit up.
We could definitely get Victor, obviously, and Victor and Tony Sunshine is probably pretty available.
We also got to get what's his name? Stevie B.
Oh yeah.
Actually, no. Actually, I don't want to be
out there masquerading as freestyle, and that's not.
I don't want to be here when whoever our director is walking Stevie B into connecting his Bluetooth headset into Zoom. He's like, so where do I plug in these Kobe's?
He's like, I need my Kobe's. These are my lucky Kobe's.
So what port? What port?
Listen. I have to use them. I smoked crack with the metal part one time. Out of necessity.
There's no Bluetooth on my IBM DeskJet, so if you want, I can switch over to my Dell. Maybe that will work better.
Fam, I was looking at my old computers the other day, and in the garage and shit, and I found a ThinkPad, and I was like, God damn, dog, you can murder a nigga with this shit.
Wow.
With the little clip mouse. That's how I learned how to play with Choach when they brought those into the phone.
Oh, the little red button. He was like, yeah. He was like, yeah.
They trained us to be sucios from a young age.
You was getting your A-Rap music on, like A-Rap music.
A-Rap music.
Oh. Wow.
Oh,
all I remember now is like when I was in Denmark with Tom. Shout out to Tommy Alter. We was in Denmark and like I was totally over Europe and I was like, I hate it here. I can't wait to go home. I'm never traveling again. And the universe was like, oh, I got you, my guy. Say less. Yeah.
Be careful what you wish for.
It's
like
it's hell.
Julian malfishing and shit like.
It's terrible, bro. It's terrible. I don't even know what's going on. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to DR for a month, dog. I'm not putting on a shirt the entire time. I'm gonna be doing like videos like Pio, like from like some wild random cinder block house. Like, yo, I'm beautiful, bitch. I'm beautiful, bitch. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
Right here, Santiago, my nigga. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta do what you gotta do, bro. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta go to the, DR, see what's going on there, see your peoples,
Papa Willie and the Kawasaki.
Go see the bachadas. Go see, as they say, the choppies. You land and it's like, hey, welcome to DR.
Get the choppies.
You wanna buy some choach, bro?
Mommy, chapeame, mommy. The Mero's here.
You want some coconuts?
Show numero uno, the late night.
You want some pig ears, bro? We got whatever you want,
bro. Yo. Niggas sleep on pig ears.
Welcome to the Continental Inn, bro. There's a complimentary bowl of pig ears on your bed. They're a little greasy, so don't put them on the pillow. I think it was a Sofitel in Philadelphia, which everyone's like, Jesus, why would you stay in a Sofitel in Philadelphia? And I say, because I was young. But I got there super late, and I was super tired after drinking, and I went to sleep, and they had left chocolates on the pillow, and I woke up in the morning, and I was like, oh, shit, did I get in a scat play? Like, what's going on?
No! Nigga thought it was dookie time.
I was like, bro, where'd that German girl from the bar go? Like, bro. Tell Helga to come back here. I want more sauerkraut. You know what I mean?
Come on, bro.
Yeah, bro. Come on. I'm fighting scurvy.
Sky plays probiotic. A lot of niggas don't know that.
If you're against scat play, you're anti-black. Sorry. I'm saying sorry to you because you're anti-black. I'm also saying sorry to black people. But you know fucking vibes. Yo, shout out to Bronx Soul because we delivered pizza to 11 hospitals. So shout out to them. Just want to throw that out there. Forgot.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. What were you saying, Mero?
Make some noise. You know what I'm saying?
What were you saying? Were you saying something?
What?
Were you saying something?
What?
Were you talking? Mero, are you with me? Mero, can you hear me? Yeah. Welcome to our off-Broadway. This is what Broadway is now. We're going to have like 1,000 people loaned into our Zoom room. I'll be like, we're going to do like performance. I'll be like, Mero.
Like touch hands on the camera?
Mero.
Like, yo.
Mero. Kid. Mero. They're gonna be like, them niggas spitting.
Damn! These
That's gonna be the number one song on TikTok. It's gonna be like, yo, do the Mero dance. Mero. Love that shit. I love that shit. Do the Desus Mero challenge.
Yo, facts. Do Desus Mero challenge to that right now. Make it happen.
Just throw it out there. Y'all
ain't doing nothing.
Oh, man.
Niggas are doing all type of shit. I did the fucking New York accent challenge out here.
I saw that.
Like, Sweet 16.
I was about to do that, but then I read that that's how Russia steals your voice and puts it in knockoff series in Russia. So right now, there's people driving around and they have your accent, and it's like, yo, turn here, my nigga.
Yo, 100
left,
feet
my
is
nigga.
mad close. Yo, you think 100 feet is mad far? It's not that far when you're in a car, nigga. Make a left right here, Yo.
Back up, my guy. There is a bear in front of you causing a traffic jam. Please turn in 30 metrics. Oh, no, please make left on Gorbachev Avenue. Wow, Glasnow in street. Please turn left. You do not see Putin death squad. It's like, oh, wow.
Yo, shit is real out here.
Turn left, nigga. I don't know who driver is, but we say nigga casually here. I'm like, oh, wow. Russia's different.
Wait, he's got the fucking death squad little icon and shit. Like, yo, they got a death squad right here. So, death squad reported ahead. They got the DJ count and shit like, yo, death squad reported ahead. Be safe, yo. Major key.
Niggas gotta pick up the death squad in the fucking Uber pool. You're like, yo, fam, I paid for a private ride. No, the P stands for Putin ride. You're like, oh, damn. Come on, bro.
Fuck. Yeah.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. It don't gotta be like this, bro.
Damn. You seen the nuns playing basketball in Spain?
I did.
Are they socially distant? Are they social distant? Are they, or is it like, fuck it, like it's just us in the nunnery?
No, it's all of them.
They're all
in the nunnery together. So they're socially distancing with each other. They haven't left they're not talking to other people. So that works. Like if you're eating and sleeping and they're sharing utensils and they're like breathing in the same air in the same room, like they should be socially but it's just like the same if you have an apartment, you got roommates. Like
facts.
Y'all niggas got this. Y'all breathing the same air. Y'all putting y'all cheeks on the same toilet bowl.
Yo,
you know what I'm saying? Y'all might be licking the same Pop-Tart and passing it along on the couch, depending on how freaky you are.
Have you ever toured a nunnery?
Yes, I have. Shout out to College of Mount St. Vincent. There was a nunnery there, and I got in trouble because I asked if the rose bushes in front of the nunnery was where the nuns hid the babies they aborted after they had sex with the priest.
What?
And they did not think that was funny.
I was like,
shout out to the Sisters of Charity. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Manhattan College and College of Mount St. Vincent. Shout out to my favorite teacher ever, Sister Ann Denise, who told me she didn't like my attitude and said she was gonna hit me with a ruler. And I said, "Joke's on you. I pay for my tuition. You can't hit me with a ruler." So after she hit me with a ruler,
she's like, "God damn you!"
I learned my lessons.
I tutored a nunnery in like 3rd grade. Shout out to 2nd grade, matter of fact. Shout out to Sister Ruth. She's probably dead now 'cause she was mad old when I was in 2nd grade. And I'm watching that.
Sister Ruth,
Sister Ruth and me. You know what I'm saying? Touring a nunnery. You know what I'm saying? And we just yeah, we didn't see that part though. I didn't think to ask about their sex lives at that point.
Yeah.
But then thinking about it now, I'm like, yo, they must masturbate a lot.
Hey, sister, you be blowing that back out? Huh?
What's up?
Huh? I mean, they call you the flying nun. It's because you be flying on that deck.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm just asking questions.
Hey.
I mean, you're a nun in Staten Island, so I gotta know. You got the hot bag and the hot vat.
You know?
Yo,
relax, please relax.
Stop. But you know what's wild?
You being nasty.
You know what's wild? I feel like I slandered Delaware like 3 podcasts in a row. And niggas from Delaware got mad. We slander Staten Island all the time. Staten Island's like, we're wild slanderable. Shout out to Staten Island for being self-aware.
We don't slander Staten Island. We just say facts. Just say facts. And you can't get mad at facts. Facts don't matter, but sometimes, you know what? A little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. But you know what's a fact? It's been episode 199. 99. You know what I'm saying? It's been your boys coming to you live from Quarantine Radio. Quarantine. It's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat like Here We Go. Just imagine us zooming into the Nick Choice Awards. Like, hey, teens. Remember when you could go outside? Can't anymore.
You tight.
Guess what? We used to roll around in grass. Y'all don't even know what that is. Y'all tight.
Stupid. Enjoy making TikToks.
So when I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, this is Age Fuego. Mr. Nando's Durando, 1994. Mikhail going off, Juve Boss, MC Lukagunga P, the pulling up for 40 with your shorty AK. Don't talk to me in the Uber pool, because why? I don't know you, and neither of us should be in this Uber pool, because Uber pool has been canceled, and neither of us are essential workers. So, and they're like, Jesus, what essential worker are you? And I was like, I essentially lay this deck.
Yeah. I'm going to plop my little pipe.
Yeah, know what I'm saying? Call me Mario, call him Luigi, okay? Where's Princess Daisy? Yeah, you know the fucking vibes. Yo, the original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. This is Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Javane, Avocado Toast, Young Pod, the Ghost Mufasa, Young Coonery, without the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo K, 3 Phone Jones, DJ Machina, J. Chuck, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute. Yeah. Leonardo DiTrapio, Mr. 240P, cause like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listening to Washed FM. Now listen here. God. Every now and then, we got nothing but hip-hop classics on here. Whoa. And I want you to know, we're going to continue that tradition right here. And we're only going to play real hip-hop here, bro. Real fucking hip-hop. One of the greatest MCs ever.
You're not too dead to watch.
I don't know if you guys can recognize this.
No way. Triple B's in this thing. We gon' ball out in this thing,
See my little brother, he just doing him. You can check the gram, he got 1 million fans. Got his brothers, he don't need no friends. He's swagged out, he'll walk in
No, I don't want you to get confused. That's not
Rock
Rakim. That's not unreleased Rakim. That is MC Lonzo Ball.
Wow.
Lonzo Ball, okay? Because in this dojo, we only respect what? Hip-hop, real hip-hop.
You know what I'm saying? Every element.
Okay. Lonzo Ball got at least 20 top. Lonzo Ball got better songs than anything on Illmatic, and I stand by that. And just
that's the battle that needs to happen next. Nas, Lonzo Ball.
The Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray and nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain her, the Human Meme with Tajah, Ray Aaron, the racist provocateur, Hedrick Budcross, Nelson Bandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on deck and say, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich. More says to Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maggie B, but I got a cucumber, the juice suppressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, I am the art. I am. All right, I saw Spike Jones this week. I am the art. He's like, no, you guys are the graffiti.
You're the graffiti guys.
And he also said everything is finite, right? Spike, I didn't think you meant this is what you meant. Like, nigga. Like, I didn't know culture.
I predicted this. Sorry, guys.
The Dun Dollar Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova Casino. We 8 cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change. Give me big money one. No, after my salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one. Top left, man's is Marv. True resort, holy cow. Mr. Top Punk, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hit that with that auto-tune, baby. Yeah. David Yurman. These expensive, these are red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Oh, Joakim, Noah, Andrew Coonanen. Yeah. Allow me to kill you in a homosexual way. Pause. AKA the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, Palmy Charger. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze and you shouldn't be getting your pet groomed while there's a pandemic going on. What's wrong with you? That's you can go on YouTube and learn to express the anal glands on your dog yourself.
That's right.
Okay? All right? Topic of gossip is Syossis. Shout out to the 11791. AKA Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket.
That's right.
Hey, man, Dead-Eye Desus, Morning Sheriff. I can't shoplift because I'm doing roadside pickup, so if you got my Instapot cooker lid, be able to take that. Thank you very much. And God bless you for your service. You're an essential worker. I thank you very much. Mr. Chopping that Street Easy, bad breeds like I'm easy. Please believe me, except Street Easy is shut down. No, go on Street Easy right now. Look at the most expensive apartments and stuff, and they're down like $90,000. Sweet and the black Asiatic addict back like an automatic craftmatic, Mr. La Marino, and the Mesh Marino with fresh misdemeanor code demeanor, the sheet mask, illa. No one could be illa. The black Zach Morris, the Pate Morris, Port Morris, young KPI. Damn. Your own personal Jesus, aka your problematic Bay. It's not a secret family if you hide all the food from them.
Ha, that is correct. You know what I'm saying? And if you lie and say you got weak Wi-Fi and just shut down the Zoom, just shut your laptop. They'll never know the difference.
Next, we got Kid Mero.
That's right. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the motherfucking human durag flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader. Jump the curb, hit your motherfucking dog, keep it moving, ask me if I give a fuck. I don't. But I'm ignoring social distancing norms, so there's something wrong with me. God damn it. A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I'm fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list, dog. This is Young Berg versus Chingy. Anybody could just log in and go on this. This is not like, yeah, it's cool. Yo, club, yeah, cool, yeah. It's not a real fucking club. It's on a computer. Fuck.
Let me in, please.
Yo, yeah, you're in. You're already in. You just have to click the link. Click the fucking link.
Chingy's my father. Chingy's my father.
Oh my God, yo, I'm sending you an invite. Fuck. A.K.A. CC Dad Bathia, a.k.a. Tiger Backwoods, smoke a 3 grand blunt, then hit you with this 9 out, nigga, pow. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. getting to the shmoney and the smoke is your boy gonna make schmack. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I had Governor Phil Murphy shut down the turnpike so my kids could race Power Wheels while practicing social distancing and being responsible because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Ben Smack Biombo, a.k.a. Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Dick in your baby Mutombo. You don't come with this pussy no more because you have to respect social distancing. And if you are not quarantined with your partner, you cannot engage in sexual activity because you can pass the virus through saliva. Thank you for this. Has been a public service announcement. Also, I respect your agency, my queen. Thank you.
You know the vibes.
A.k.a. Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. And I don't know how I did it because I'm in my driveway. Yeah. And you can't overcharge me, yo, because, you know what I'm saying? How am I supposed to bring this shit back? I can't bring it back to 40th Street. You know what I'm saying? So this is quarantine, nigga. What the fuck? A.k.a. the Dominican Basement daddy. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I'm going to type my card again. I'm going to type my card one more time, dog. There's definitely money on it. Do not make me embarrass you in front of the fucking Genius Bar when they come up here and they ask for quick selfies and ask me how the kids are doing. You know what I'm saying? You like your little Mero's computer job. You know what I'm saying, Mr. MacBook? Huh? All right, then put the fucking hand soap in the cart, nigga, and let me check out. Stop fucking playing with me, nigga. And I'm using and I forgot my password. I don't give a fuck.
Actually, we only take Cash App.
Oh, wow. Oh, shit. Luckily, I have Cash App. You know what I'm saying? The number one app.
Thank you. We've heard rumors that they are the most popular money service right now.
It's not a rumor. It's a fact.
Thank you.
Number one on the Billboard charts. Cash App with hit single. Giving your fucking weed dealer money.
Thank you for confirming that. Garrett, please release my family.
Holla.
Your family's tied up in the Cash App basement.
Yo, face it, not guilty. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? AKA
richer and richer till Venmo tried to kill me. You're like, oh, shit.
Word, shit. Nah.
Cash App, can't you see? Sometimes I use you currency, transfer currency with you, or something like that. Go ahead, continue.
AKA Romeo Santos, favorito, mami. So Danny, let me black out. I'm actually glad that I blacked out for 3 days, yo. That's 3 days off the calendar. I can't wait for this fucking coronavirus shit to end. Oh my God.
I want to lick some buttholes. All of you think these buttholes need to be licked, yo. God. And they say no Engelingus. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna just go polish my Chelsea boots. Holla. A.K.A. Lionel Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you don't care about curfews or social distancing or anything like that when it comes to weed. You goddamn right. I mean, this nigga at the door with a Clorox wipe. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Tom Brady got my balls deflated more than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? We're not doing the table showers for the time being. Table showers have been postponed indefinitely. I'm making an official announcement for the Table Shower League of America. Table showers have been postponed indefinitely in the wake of this pandemic. We feel that it is most responsible to suspend table showers at this moment. Although it may impact the economy, we feel that the safety of all our workers is tantamount. So we will be suspending all table showers and full body rubs until further notice. Thank you. It can't feel the ass Tyson, you know what I'm saying? I want to explore your cosmos, but only if we've been quarantined together for at least 3 weeks. You feel me? So I know you're not asymptomatic. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on live, been social distancing before the Rona, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Friday Now Messi MVP of Gelato, A.K.A. Daniel Bennyfield. I gotta get some sticks. Shout out to fucking telemedicine, A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
What?
At Mama Sushi.
Right.
When it reopened in 2014. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Ben Boss. My hands are gifted. Have you ever in your life avoided being collateral damage in a completely asinine administration? I have. Ha. Still Euro stepping any accountability for any of this shit. And I'm a doctor. Niggas can't touch me. I'm Teflon. Can't get the strap. A.K.A. I'll be your menace to cabinet. You know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Baby Noopo 25. Niggas garbage down the way. You know what I'm saying? And I'll leave my shit at your doorstep. I don't even interact with you. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Nino Brown. Shut the Carter down. You know what I'm saying? Because of, what's going on in this whole situation, A.K.A. live from the corner of 187 in Belmont, ignoring all suggested curfews and saying fuck social distancing. It's the East Tremont Stevie B, doing all his greatest hits while coughing in your face like, I wanna be the one your TV is fucking, and dope sick love, don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Fucking blimey, mate. Every week I have to tell you, mate, multiple times a week now, matter of fact, that there's only 2 rock stars left in the world, mate. You know what I'm saying? It's the Bodega Boys, which I am one. You know what it is. It's a plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed or dream on, eating Clorox wipe until my intestines burst. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I met my friend says I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. playing NBA 2K in Portland, smoking legal in the crib, chilling all day. It's Barmelos Anthony. Looking for snacks? He's found cookies. For 3. Bang! Whoa! You love to see it. He's back in form eating EL fudge. A.K.A. if you see me at Target, higher than a motherfucking carpenter ladder on top of another carpenter ladder on the fucking moon, doing a dab, you know what I'm saying? Approach me like motherfucking Ursine Mammal Dog. I may react erratically, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm on a website and you're in my house. What the fuck are you doing? How did you even get in here? A.K.A. hey kids, whoa, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll zoom in and I'll still be fucking late. Whoa. And for my grand finale, I'll just fall asleep and pee on myself. And and speaking of that, I gotta go right now. So I'll let my Mr. Fun take over the Zoom for a second. Zoom bomb.
Hey, how do you make a dynamic background? Because it's just there's nothing squirming behind me. Don't worry about that bag. You know what? I'm leaving the meeting. Bye.
Let's go. End meeting. All right, end meeting. Is it the red button here? A.K.A. I sold fake links to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. You know what I'm saying? Since he's don't give a fuck about social distancing, he came to my crib and he just picked shit out of my garage by himself. I'm not even making this shit anymore. Wow. These motherfuckers are audacious. It's incredible. New album coming soon. A.K.A. Whew. You know what time it is, Papi. If you have SAP, please turn it on right now.
Turn it on.
Turn it on, papi. Oye, ¿qué es lo que guau? Llegó el Titi FIFA, coño. Bajé chuque con la tabla sobre la papa la prendía, coño. Estamos en ruleta con una camioneta, con una tipa chapa que tiene teta hecha. Y no sé, dime a ver, ¿qué es lo que tú dices, mamá huevo? Deja que. Y de ahí, suena gama, nigga. Deja que me den banda de la casa. Ay, coño. Ahí que van a ver, ahí que van a ver. Me van a ver en un carro, coño, que parece un fucking extraterrestre, coño, con la puerta que ven para arriba, loco. Y dos locos con la chapa nuevecita. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Showtime, you know what I'm saying? We're still doing it 2 times a week, mami. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Cash App La Casa, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Hasan y Sega que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Desus, bueno, la nota jamaiquina, you know what I'm saying? El Prime Minister. Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la lady. 24 quilates de magia en esa menena. Oh my God, eso es. ¿Está coconut oil? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. ¿Está 4C? 4C? Oh my God, qué lindo. Ya la nena de la bodega, dai la madura la planta eléctrica. Si tú te llamas Gleber Torres, dale para los 10, mi loco. You know what I'm saying? Vi que la más loca todita, a.k.a. piecito de miel. Muerte para ese link, coño. Y shout out a mi presidente Pío, secretario de Defensa del Tema con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto. Pronta libertad, mi hermano Friki. Y que descansen pa. Mira, mi hermanito Sexor y Jacqueline Cruz Downs. You know what I'm saying? Quédate en la casa. Lávate la fucking mano, asqueroso. Este presidente no sabe ni mi amar toto. Menos gobernar o cualquier vaina. So no le hagan caso. ¿Ok? Wash your hands in English. Me quité ya. 199199. Dale para allá. Nos fuimos. Me quité. Jala.
Been episode 199 of the most illustrious podcast in the world. You know, it's the Bodega Boys. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Be sure to join us here next week if we decide to do this podcast again.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
Yeah, we're your girlfriend's back boyfriend. We're not going anywhere. Peace.
Look.